Hey y'all, so we're back and I want to show you guys what we did for the trees in the backyard. So this is what we did. She had all of that other stuff cut out so that she could see behind. She said she want to be able to see Jason so she could see him. So this is it. And it goes all the way down there. That's her little burn pit. So it goes from down there and it comes all the way around. Boom. All right, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all that and show y'all what we got done. We ain't worried about the burning in the trees because the leaves gonna be falling and falling anyways. So next year they'll come back green, but we ain't worried about that right now. All right, guys. See you in the next clip. Hey y'all, this video was just to give you guys an update on what we did to the tree section. So these pictures you are seeing are before pictures, and the part where I'm showing where the trees are clear, that is the after. And once again, thank you guys for watching Shannon Reek's World. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.